Hey there friends, and welcome back to Make Your Money Thrive. My name is Christina, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a cash stuffing into my savings challenges for the month of January. So with my savings challenges, I like to take cash from my weekly expenses and use some of that cash to put towards savings challenges as opposed to spending that cash on other things. And that's just how I've always done my savings challenges ever since I started using them a few years ago. And it helps me to be even more lean and efficient with my money. And it's just what works for me. So let's jump right in and get started with that. So I have here my weekly expense tracker. I have the one for January week 3, which is what I am going to be stuffing for. I have my miniature savings challenge, which is my Money Monday savings challenge that I'm doing here for the month of January. I'm on month 1 here. And then I also have my A5 binder that has all of my monthly savings challenges that I want to do for the year. I might add some more in over time, but these are the ones that I know for sure that I'm planning on doing for the year. So I'm actually going to start with my monthly savings challenge because I know that's going to save more than my Money Monday one. And for week 3, I need to save $8 per day. So that's a total of $56 that I need to put into week 3. So right off the bat, I know that I can probably come into gas and take cash from gas because I am not using gas money at this time. My car is out of commission, so I'm not driving and spending money on gas at this time. I'm getting around with alternative transportation means, Uber and all of that. So I'm going to take 20 of that and put it towards this savings challenge. So I need 36 more, and I'm going to take this 5 and actually put it into my $5 savings challenge. So I'm going to set that aside for a minute. And I need $36 more. So then, let's see, I have fun. I have eating out, which I've used some of eating out because my kiddo's currently in the hospital this week. And I stay there with him except for when I come home in order to do laundry. And that means that I have been buying things to have there at the hospital for us to eat. So I could use fun, or I could use the remaining cash in eating out. I'll take 20 from spending. That gives me $16 more that I need. So I'm gonna take this 20 from spending. I'll take $6 from fun. So $6 out of fun here. And then I need $10 more. So I need $10 more, and I'm going to take that from groceries. So groceries, I've already used some cash out of here, so I have a $100 bill left. So if I'm taking $6 from here, I need $90 back. Or $10 from here. I think I said 6, but I'm taking $10 from here to get $90 back. So to do that, I have 2 20s, another 20, another 20, and 2 5s. And then I can put this $100 into this savings challenge. So let me just make sure this is $90 going back into groceries. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So I'm gonna put this back into my groceries envelope. And then this is going to go here into my savings challenge. And then I'll write down that $10 came from groceries. All right, and then I'm also going to put this $5 from gas to go towards my $5 savings challenge. And I want to take a couple of dollars out of fun. So I have $4 bills in here. I'm gonna take 2 of these and put them into my $1 savings challenge. And I just like doing that because I feel like it helps me to start the week off on the right foot. So my $1 and $5 savings challenge is in here. And instead of spending that money on something frivolous or that I might not need to spend that money on, I can instead put it away to save. All right, so since I'm limited on time, I'm gonna color this when we are back from the hospital next week. So then I'm going to go ahead and grab my Money Monday savings challenge. And yes, I'm doing this on a Tuesday, but that's okay. So for today, I need to put $3 for the 3rd week of month 1. So $3. I don't have dollars in there. Gas is empty now. Household has some cash. Eating out. I can get that from Fund, because if I use more money from Fund this week, it's going to come from my Fund sinking fund. So I'm going to take the $5, and then I should have $2 change I can give myself, and I do. I have $2 right here. So then this is going to go into my savings challenge instead. And I will also color that when we are back home from the hospital so that I can get out of here as soon as the laundry is done drying today. So I'm going to put this $2 back into my Fund envelope. And that is that. And then I know that I have $2 as well in Household that I carried over from last week. I'm just going to grab those two. Ooh, actually, I have 2 5s in here as well. So I'm going to actually do that. I'm going to take a 5 and these $2 bills from Household, and I'm going to put them towards my $1 and $5 savings challenges. And I think that that is good. I love taking cash out of my envelopes and like just sticking them into my $1 and $5 savings challenge. I feel like I save a lot more money that way, just having the savings challenge set up where I could just see a $5 or a $1 and put it away. All right, so that is that. That is my cash stuffing into my savings challenges for January week 3. Hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you put a like on it, and don't forget to get subscribed. I would absolutely love to have you here. Thanks so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.